Most traders jump into scalping, hoping to make quick profits, but end up burning their accounts instead. Why? Because they don't have a system. In this video, I'm going to show you a scalping strategy that flips the game completely, a setup that can give you reliable entries every single day and keep your overall results positive month after month. And the crazy part, it only takes two simple indicators working together to filter out all the noise. Stick around, because if you've ever struggled with scalping, this might be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. All right, now let's set up the indicators for this strategy. Step 1. Open your Indicators tab, and in the search bar type Two-Pole Oscillator. Make sure you select the one created by Big Beluga. Once it's added to your chart, click on the Settings icon. Go to the Style tab, check the box that activates the signal line, and then hit OK. This indicator will not only generate buy and sell signals, but it also helps confirm whether those signals are actually valid. Now let's move on to the second indicator. Go back to your Indicators tab and search for Volumetric Vidya. Add it to your chart, then open the settings. Under the Input section, change the video length value to 34. Hit OK, and you're done. Perfect! Now both indicators are set up, and the strategy is ready. Next, let's break down exactly how to use them to enter trades with confidence. For a long setup, here's what we want to see. The two-pole oscillator first flashes a buy signal, but that's not enough on its own. We need to make sure both the oscillator and its signal line are sitting down in the oversold zone, and then watch closely as the signal line cuts upward. That's the spark we've been waiting for. At that very moment, if the volumetric vidya turns green, it's a clear sign the trend is on our side. That's where we step in. Enter the trade right at the candle close, lock the stop loss just beneath the previous low, and let the setup breathe with a 1 to 2.5 risk to reward. More often than not, you'll see price rip straight into your target. And when it comes to shorts, it's the exact mirror image. The oscillator fires a sell signal, both lines stretch into the overbought zone, and then the signal line slashes downward. If the vidya has already flipped red, momentum is telling you loud and clear. The bears are in control. Enter right at the close, keep your stop tucked above the last swing high, and let the math do its magic. Same 1 to 2.5, risk to reward, same clean targets, just in the other direction. Right here you can see the two-pole oscillator has just printed a buy arrow. The oscillator itself is sitting deep in the oversold area, and the signal line is crossing upward, showing momentum is shifting. On top of that, the volumetric vidya has already turned green, confirming that the overall trend is bullish. With all of that lining up, this signal is fully confirmed. I'm entering a long trade at the candle close, placing my stop just behind the previous swing low, and aiming for a 1 to 2.5 risk-to-reward ratio. And watch closely. The target gets hit beautifully. Now for the short scenario, it's the exact opposite. The two-pole oscillator prints a sell arrow. The oscillator and signal line are high up in the overbought zone, and this time the signal line cuts downward. At the same time, the volumetric vidya flips red, telling us the market is in a bearish trend. That's my confirmation. I take the short position right at the candle close, set the stop just above the last swing high, and again, aim for a clean 1 to 2.5 risk to reward. Once more, the target plays out perfectly. So that's the power of this scalping strategy. Simple, clear, and when used properly, it can deliver consistent results. But remember, this is not financial advice, and definitely not a guarantee of profits. Before risking any real money, make sure you backtest this strategy and practice it on demo until you're completely confident. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful trading strategies every single week. Your support keeps this channel growing, and I can't wait to share even more setups with you. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.